Hello, this is Lindley. UPS just dropped off my package. I get some accessories for my GoPro. So let's unbox this now. I get the sleeve and lanyard for my Hero 8 Black. I want to make sure I protect my GoPro 8. And also a tempered glass lens plus screen protectors. Dual battery charger plus battery. So this dual battery charger plus battery, they gave limited lifetime warranty. And as you can see in here, you can charge through GoPro batteries simultaneously. It also includes the USB-C cable. Compatible with Hero 8 Black, Hero 7 Black, and Hero 6 Black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it from the bottom. I see the seal over here. The charging cable, the battery, a little startup guide, and a charger. Make sure you keep your box in case anything goes wrong. That's what I always do. This is the one that will take some time. I want to be careful in installing this tempered glass lens and screen protector. It includes 2 tempered glass lens protectors and also 2 tempered glass screen protectors, plus microfiber cleaning cloth. This is like the illustration on how to install it. Okay, so I'm gonna follow it. Okay. Everything comes in this little packet. The cloth, the lens protector, and also the screen protector. The box is just big. Number 1. Number 2. Now, this is really crucial. Making sure that this is very, very clean. That looks really clean now. Same process. Remove the first film. Looks great, right? No bubbles. Next thing that we're gonna check is the sleeve and lanyard. This is just for Hero 8 Black. And I got the color black because I don't want it to stick out. Same thing here. I'm gonna open it from the bottom because I like keeping the box like in a good condition. Did I do that? I guess so. Looks good. It feels nice. Here's my GoPro. It should go like this, I'm guessing. Wait. The only thing you have to keep in mind if you're buying this sleeve is you have to take it off every time you have to charge the battery. Huh. It's just like the original, but it's protected. Okay, I turned it on. It's easy to access the buttons. I got no complaints. Looks good. How about the lanyard? Okay. Let me try this on. It's like this. You can adjust this. If you want it shorter, put it like that. And then now it's shorter.